Good morning, students. Now we discuss about heterotrophic nutrition. As I told you, heterotrophs are the organism that depends on other for their food and their body requirements. They have different strategies and different methods, ways to get their food material or to get nutrition from the other. So here we discuss about heterotrophic nutrition. Some organisms break down the food material outside the body and then absorb it. For example, fungi like bread molds, yeast, and mushrooms. They first break down the food material outside the body and then absorb it slowly. But some organisms take in whole material like us, human beings. Take the food material first and then break down occurs inside our body. So, what can be taken in and break down depends on the body design and functioning. Some organisms derive nutrition from plants or animals without killing them. You know very well parasites. Parasites which depends on plants or animals but they do not kill them, they absorb and suck whole the nutrients, water and mineral from other plants or other animals. For example, cuscuta, which is called amarbale, lices, ticks, leeches, and tapeworms, which absorbs the nutrients, minerals from other body. So we see that different organisms have different ways or different strategies to absorb nutrients from the other. Now, how do organisms obtain their nutrition? As different organisms have their different strategies and different ways to get their nutrition, and some are single celled organisms and some are multicellular organisms like us. For single celled organisms, a very important question which is asked from this topic is how amoeba get their food or nutrition. So this is a very important diagram for exam point of view. Amoeba is a single celled organism and amoeba takes in food using temporary finger like extension. First of all, it forms a finger like extension and the cell surface which fuse over the food material forming a food vacuole. Here you see that food is taken like that. First amoeba forms a finger like projection which is called pseudopodia. Pseudopodia means a finger like projection or in which the food material is captured and it forms a vacuole. In this, inside the food vacuole, complex substances are broken down into simpler one, which then diffuses into the cytoplasm. So, in this way, the amoeba capture the food material inside the body, and after the absorption, the waste product is come on the surface of the amoeba and then it throw it outside the body. The remaining undigested material is moved to the surface of the cell and thrown out. Similarly, in Paramecium, which is also a single celled organism, the cell has a definite shape and food is taken in the specific spot. Food is moved in the spot by the movement of cilia. Cilia is hair like projection which cover the entire surface of the cell. So these are the ways of absorption of nutrients where the organism is single celled. Now, if the organism is multicellular like a human being, we discussed how the nutrition take place in a human being later, which is very important for exam point of view.
Nutrition is carried out in 5 different steps, just like the other animals. They are ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation, and egestion. Ingestion. When a food particle comes near amoeba, it ingests this food particle by using pseudopodia around it. Digestion. The food is digested in the food vacuole by digestive enzymes. Absorption. The digested food present in the food vacuole is directly absorbed into the cytoplasm of amoeba by diffusion. Assimilation. Food absorbed by amoeba is used to obtain energy for maintaining life processes. And egestion. When a sufficient amount of undigested food collects inside the amoeba, then its cell membrane suddenly ruptures at any place and the undigested food is thrown out of the body of the amoeba. In amoeba, the digestion occurs within the cell.